Hi, my name is Rishi Kapoor and I've just come back from the theatre, finished a full bag of popcorns watching Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. Now this movie is very special Indian audience के लिए because we are used to movies like that. अगर आपको apes को देखने की आदत है, आपने शायद हम शक्ल्स देखी होगी. But what I'm coming to is a very special movie. Dawn of the Planet of the Apes is a sequel to the Rise of the Planet of the Apes. अब ये जो पहली पार्ट है, it was a remake of a black and white version of the Planet of the Apes. बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा काम किया गया है मेरे ख्याल से. Matt Reeves, the director, उन्होंने तुषार कपूर की काफी सारी मूवीज देखी हैं. And all the apes have learned from Tushar's dialogue delivery, where they go ooh 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 ah 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 ah. Cutely done. Very specific. Now let's not forget, movie के CGs पे बहुत मेहनत की गई है. It's a movie that's actually shot on CG because the apes had to be created. But the San Francisco jungles are real. Very good CGs, a typical Hollywood flick. I'm going to give you a small bit of the plot, where in the first part, a scientist goes wrong with his experiment, and there's a James Franco disease, humans die, जैसे typically America में होता. I don't know why the aliens never come to Santa Cruz or Khar, but the humans die. The apes survive, they start living in the woods and they become a colony and they're very happy, and then some humans go pinch them and they're pinched back hard with a war. My favorite scene of the movie is the first time the apes actually meet the humans. It's a very cold confrontation where, you know, the apes are scared, the humans are scared too. And then suddenly it turns into a very predictable plot where you feel, okay, this is a very typical Hollywood movie. Yes, they've gone a bit too far. So we've introduced a new meter in a Hollywood section called the Mithun meter. The Mithun meter for this movie is very high. Why? Because when apes have guns in their hand that even Aditya Pancholi did not have. When apes jump over the helicopter, that only I think Krish can do. Well, you feel it's a bit unreal, but it's done very well. Handled very well. हम उस देश के वासी हैं जहाँ संडे सुबह को हम रामायण में CG देखते हैं, या तो फिर क्रिश कैसे प्लेन को उड़ा लेता है ये देखते हैं. When we see the CG in this movie, we'll be a little happier to pay the money we're paying because it's worth it. The war is magnanimous. The apes, such anger I've not even seen in Sunny Deol or myself. While a lot of people are saying that the Transformers sequel has really let them down, this is a movie that lives up to its expectations. Not a movie that was actually supposed to produce a sequel, but this one does, and it has the potential for a trilogy. Everybody is waiting for the third flick, but here I am giving it more than 4 stars, and the Mithun meter is 90%, so very well done. Also, for all the Indians who thought the movie had Dawn in its name, so they should actually have Shah Rukh Khan in it. You went slightly wrong. Although the expressions between the apes and Shah Rukh is pretty similar. Here's me signing off on Red FM with the next Hollywood flick I'm going to be around. My name is Rishi Kapoor, and these guys know how to make their movies. Kick ass. And this is my boss's review of the movie.